Hi guys, just been replacing the batteries in my collection of wall clocks. I've got about 6 or 7 of them up in the workroom because Nanny won't let me put them anywhere else because we've already got clocks in all the other rooms. And this one I just replaced the battery and it's not working. Now lots of the batteries had started leaking and that. So it may just be that I need to clean the contacts in there. Because that is a bit corroded on there. I just try balancing it on the edge. Nope, that's not doing it. Okay. Cost me £2.99. That's out of focus, isn't it? There we go. Cost me £2.99. Right, so it's not working. I strongly suspect it could be this end because there's a lot of salts, crystals built up around there. Suppose I could put a meter on there, see what we've got. Right, I don't know what to expect, but I would expect to see something if I go across the battery leads there. There ought to be something trying to draw current. So that doesn't look very good, does it? Let's go up there. Still nothing. Did that wire fall off then? It didn't actually fall off, but we're going to have a look in there, aren't we? A load of small screws around the outside. Okay, I'll get a small screwdriver. What I'm expecting is one of these leads, power leads, may have corroded through where the batteries have leaked. Stick a magnet on there. Yeah. I saw this clock in a charity shop and I just liked the look of it. Looked like sort of gold or brass. Well, it's only coloured plastic. Although they look like they're coated metal components. Okay, that looks like all of them. There's another couple of screws there. I'll undo things that it might fall apart, but they're different screws. Yeah, that's dropped it inside. Ah, right, we didn't need to undo them. Gently put them back in then. For now. Oh, I don't know. No, we might still need to take it apart. Yeah. So hopefully that just pulls off, yeah. It's only plastic. Right, we're in. But the bit we want to get to is that plastic bit. We don't have to take the whole thing apart just to get in there and check the electrics. These screws are underneath. This is some sort of... No, it feels like printed plastic. But to get in there, we'd have to peel it off to undo those screws. Right, let's see, can we do this another way? Short answer is no. How about if I try and lever these? I'll try and lever these metal plates up this way, so I can get hold of the ends of the wires. So you can see what I'm talking about. I just popped that one up. That one came up easily. This one doesn't want to. Oh, done it. Okay. So, see, I'm hoping that it's just that black wire may be so corroded it's not making contact. I'll see if I can desolder it. This one looks fine. That's what I'm suspecting, because that wobbles like that. Maybe it's corroded right where it goes there, and it's been held together by the plastic sheathing. Right, a little bit of progress. That fell off as soon as I touched it. So I'm going to try and trim a little bit of the insulation off the end here. And then see if we can actually get any solder on it, because usually when it's gone corroded like that, yeah, it's black and horrible. We're going to struggle. But I'll get on and try it. Might be able to scrape some of the blackness off with a knife. Yeah, might have done it. Well, I was fully confident that was going to fix it. Nope, that hasn't done it. Okay, going to have to do a bit more investigation. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.